In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically display the current month and current year using Smartsheet formulas. This is a simple setup that keeps your date tracking accurate without constant manual edits. By the end, your sheet will always show the month and year derived from the date in each row, which is great for reporting, filtering, and staying organized. Let's get started by logging into the Smartsheet website and opening the sheet where you want to set this up. Once you're in your sheet, we'll prepare two helper columns that will hold the values we want to display. Click the three dots in the header of any existing column, then choose Insert Column Right. Rename this new column to Current Month. This will hold the month value pulled from your date column. Repeat the same process to insert another column and rename it to Current Year. Using clear descriptive names makes your sheet more readable and easier to maintain later. Now let's add the formulas. Click any cell under the current month column, type an equal sign to start the formula, then type month. You'll see the function appear. Click into your date column and select a date in the same row so Smartsheet knows which date to reference. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You should see a number between 1 and 12, which represents the month. That's expected, and it's perfect for consistent sorting and filtering. Next, move to the current year column. Click any cell under it, type an equal sign, then type year. Again, select the date cell in the same row from your date column, close the parenthesis, and press enter. You should now see a 4-digit year. Right now, each formula works only for the row where you entered it. To apply them to the rest of your sheet, hover over the bottom right corner of the formula cell until the small square handle appears. Click and drag it downward to copy the formula to all remaining rows that contain dates. Repeat this drag for the other column. Smartsheet will automatically adjust the row references as it fills down. From here, your sheet will display the correct month and year for each row based on the date you've entered. If you don't see a value in some rows, double-check that those rows contain valid dates in your date column. And that's it. You've set up automatic month and year tracking in Smartsheet, a small improvement that keeps your data clean, reliable, and always up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting.